guys, my name is Enrico from channel Enrico Ari. Today we are updating our mega blanket for let's see. The inside like this. This is the getting. The get in, okay? So this is the entrance, nothing in here. Nothing in here. This is a drawer blanket, and this is the balcony. Okay, now to get it. Now this is the fort. This is the fort, so big. So might be the close. So this is the balcony. This is like you can go in there. This is the main room. So this is we have like you can sneak peeky, okay? Or this is the top. I am not close it because I'm so hot and this is so hot day. Okay, okay, now I'm open this blanket, okay? That match my blanket fort update mega. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.